Hello everyone, as so many of you having doubt about multiples and factors. So here I am explaining you what is multiples and what is factors. Okay. So let us start with the multiples. Fine. What is multiples? As its name suggests, it's like multiplication. Okay. Multiplication of what? Multiplication of numbers. What is multiplication of the numbers? Just like the table of any number. Okay. For example, we will see what is multiples by example. Okay. For example, find the multiple of 8. Okay. So multiples of 8 will be 8 multiplied by 1, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 8 2s are 16, 8 multiplied by 3, 8 3s are 24, 8 multiplied by 4, 8 4s are 32, 8 multiplied by 5, 8 5s are 40, and this so on. Okay. So what are, if the question is what is the first multiple, second multiple and the third multiple, what is the first three multiples of 8? So 8, 16 and 24. It is the first, second and third are the three multiples of 8. Okay. So we will take another example. Fine. So we will take another example of 4. We have to find the first three multiples of 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So these are the first three multiples of 4. First three multiples of 4. Okay. Now we will take another example. Suppose a question is there that is 42 multiple of 7. So what we will do, how we will cross check it that it is multiple of 7 or not. We know 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35 and 7 sixes is 42. Okay. So again 7 6 are 42. What we will do? 42 divided by 7. 7 6. So 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. The quotient is 6 and the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 0. Hence the 42 is completely divisible by 7 and the quotient is 6. So 42 is a multiple of 7. Okay. The answer is 42 is a multiple of 7. Okay. Now we will start with LCM. What is LCM? LCM stands for least common multiple. Okay. Now least means minimum number. Okay. Minimum number or the smallest number. Okay. And common means which is common to two numbers. Common in two numbers. And multiple means multiple. Okay. Multiple, a number. Okay, now you have to find least common multiples means the smallest number which is common to both the multiples. For example, let us take the example. Okay, find the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. Now what will you do? We will find the multiples of 4, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. Okay, now we will write the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42. Okay, now we will write the multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Okay. Now as you can see here, table of 4, table of 6 and table of 8. Now we will see what is common in all these three. What is the minimum number which is common in all the three tables? See, 4 is here but 4 is not there in table of 6, so it is not common. Now 8. 8 is in table of 4 and in table of 8 but not in table of 6, so it is not common again. Now 4 threes are 12. 12 is there in table of 4, 12 is there in table of 6 but not in table of 8, so again it is not common. Now 4 fours are 16. 16 is here in table of 4 but not in table of 6 and here in table of 8. So again 16 is not common. Now 20. 20 is not there in table of 6 and 8. And now 24. 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. And 8 3s are 24. 24 is common in all the three tables. So 24 is the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. Okay. We will write here, since 24 is minimum number common in 4, 6 and 8. So 24 is LCM of 4, 6 and 8. Okay. So here our LCM is done. Now we will see another method. Okay. Second method of LCM. Now how we will take the same numbers 4, 6 and 8. Okay, you can write 4 here like this, 6 comma 8 comma. Okay, now we will divide it by 2 because 2 is the minimum number by which both the three numbers can be divided. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again, these three numbers will be divisible by 2. 3 is not divisible, but 2 and 4 are divisible. So, 2 ones are 2. 3 we will write here say as it is, and 2 twos are 4. Again, 2 1 as it is, 3 as it is, and 2 ones are 2. Now 1 and 3 are remaining. Now we will take 3. 3 1 as it is. Now 3 ones are 3 and 1 as it is. All the three remainder will be all the three numbers will be 1 1 1. Now further division is not possible. So we will start multiplying this. Fine. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. Now this 6 will be multiplied by 2 equals to 12, and this 12 will be multiplied by 2 equals to 24. Here also by multiplying these numbers we are getting the LCM 24. It is the second method. Whatever you feel easy, you can prefer that method. Both are right. Okay. Now we will start with factors. What is factors? Factors are the numbers in which the complete division is possible. Okay. For example, we will take an example of we have to find the factors of 20. Okay. Now, how will you find the factors of 20? Okay. So, first number, minimum number is 1 into 20 is 20. 2 into 10 is 20. In the table of 3, 20 is not possible because 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So we will not write 3. Now 4, yes, 4 5s are 20. Now 5, yes, 5 4s are 20. Now 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So in the table of 6 it is not possible. Not in 7, not in 8 and not in 9. Now 10 2s are 20. Okay. And now a glass 21s are 20. Okay. See here 1 into 20 and 20 into 1. These are reversible. 4 into 5 and 5 into 4. Same exchange of numbers. Okay. So this all are the factors of 20. Okay. From bottom to top. Okay. Okay. So we will arrange them in the ascending order. So 1, 2, now 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? These numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Okay? Now we will take another example. Now suppose the question is 171 a factor of 19? What will you do? we can divide 171 by 19. And if you don't know the table of 19, you can simply try it by multiplication. Generally 9 nines are 81. We will write 1 here, carried on 8. Now 9 ones are 9 plus 8 is 17. So 171, the product is 171, and 171 is completely divisible by 19. The quotient is 9 and the remainder is 0. So since remainder is 0, quotient is 9, so 19 is a factor of 171. Okay. Now we will study HCF. What does HCF mean? What is the full form of HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Okay. Now highest means it will be the biggest number, common means which will be common to 2-3 numbers, and factors means just simple factors. Okay. So we have to find a highest common factor. For example, we have to find HCF of 15 and 20. Okay. What we will do? 15 ones are 15. Okay. In the table of 2, 15 is not possible. In the table of 3, 3 fives are 15. In the table of 4, 15 is not possible. Now, in the table of 5, 5 threes are 15. And further in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is not possible. And at last, it will be 15 ones are 50. Okay. And now we will find the factors of 20. So 1 into 20 is 20. 2 into 10, 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. In the table of 3, 20 is not possible because 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. In the table of 4, yes, 4 5s are 20. And in the table of 5, yes, 5 4s are 20. And in the table of 10, yes, 10 2s are 20. Okay. Now further from 11 to 19 it is not possible, and 20 into 1 we have already written here, it is 1 into 20. So now what we will find, what are the factors? See here, these are the factors: 1, 5, 3, 15 are the factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 5, 3 and 15, and factors of 20 are, see here, it is from 1 to 20, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. For our understanding and so that we can easily identify the biggest number, we will arrange them in the ascending order. That is 1 is the smallest and 15 is the biggest, and here also 1 is the smallest and biggest is 20. Now what is common in both these numbers? 1, yes, but 1 is the smallest number, right? Now 5, yes, 5 is common. Here also 5 is common. 3 is smallest and 3 is there in 15 but not in 20. 15 is there in 15 but not in 20. So 5 is the highest number which is common in both the factors of 15 and 20. So 5 will be the HCF of 15 and 20. We will write, since 5 is common factor of 15 and 20, so it is highest, right? We forgot to write here highest. Since 5 is highest common factor of 15 and 20, so it is HCF of 15 and 20. Okay, fine. Here our HCF is done.